Hello, in this short lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is that actually the universe was created in two stages. The first stages is the matter, and actually the matter in the universe was created from nothing, that is quantum fluctuations, and all the elements, the stars and galaxies were created by the Big Bang. Okay, so now I will explain what is nothing or quantum fluctuations. Quantum fluctuations is a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space, and actually those changes in the amount of energy can create virtual particles, and from virtual particles you can get real particles, and from real particles a matter, or at least basic elements can be created. So in the first stage, basic elements of the matter has been created, and then at a certain point of time, all the matter in the universe was concentrated in a very small dense point. The density of that point was infinite, and that is the reason that it exploded, and that is actually the Big Bang. And in that way, this way, the elements, all the elements, the stars and galaxies were created by the Big Bang. So we can summarize that and say that the universe was created by nothing, that is quantum fluctuations, and also that is the way that the basic elements were created, and then the universe itself, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created by the Big Bang. And the answer to the second question, if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing, is very simple. The answer is that nothing, that is also defined as quantum fluctuations, was never created because it was always existed. Okay, thank you very much.